Toyota, the world's largest automobile manufacturer, is facing fresh challenges from the rapidly growing electric vehicle (EV) market and a wave of new competitors. In response to this rising competition, Toyota has revealed a groundbreaking new engine designed to revolutionize the auto industry and reassert its dominance. But what makes this engine stand out, and how might it reshape the future of automobiles? Join us in this special episode as we dive into Toyota's new engine, which could disrupt the entire EV industry. Despite an impressive 2023, when Toyota set a record by selling 11.2 million vehicles, electric cars played only a small role in that achievement. Of the total, just around 104,000 were electric vehicles, about 0.926% of Toyota and Lexus sales for the year. Toyota's leadership believes there is still significant demand for traditional engines. The chairman emphasized this view in a speech to over 200 corporate managers and executives, asserting that consumers should have the freedom to choose and not feel pressured into buying electric cars. He previously hinted at this upcoming engine project during a QA session at the 2024 Tokyo Auto Salon. According to Toyota, electric cars will likely remain a minority in the market, potentially making up no more than 30%. The rest of the market, they argue, will still favor traditional engines, hybrids, and fuel cell electric vehicles. Hydrogen-powered engines could also play a role in the future, though diesel engines were notably absent from his remarks. In 2024, Toyota plans to announce this new combustion engine project, as other automakers shift focus to electric vehicles. Some have even pledged to phase out traditional engines altogether in the coming years. Toyota's luxury brand, Lexus, has promised to stop selling combustion engine vehicles by 2035. In Europe, Stellantis aims to offer only EVs by the decade's end, and Mercedes plans to make the full switch by 2030, depending on market conditions. Audi, one of Toyota's chief rivals, will stop producing combustion engines by 2032, while BMW has yet to set a firm deadline. Volkswagen's core brand intends to manufacture only electric cars in Europe by 2033. This new engine project could mark a turning point for Toyota, as the company continues to balance traditional combustion engines with the rise of electric and hybrid technologies, positioning itself for the future of mobility. However, Toyota has a different perspective. They believe that battery electric vehicles can be one of several solutions to achieve carbon neutrality. Akio Toyoda emphasized that the charging infrastructure needs to be ready. He pointed out that around 1 billion people worldwide don't have access to electricity, and since Toyota sells cars in those areas, fully committing to EVs wouldn't work well. That's why they're investing in making engines powered by hydrogen. Over the years, Toyota has proven to be a significant tech leader, and there's no doubt that the new internal combustion engine will be remarkable. The fundamental efficiency of hydrogen-powered engines lies in using water as a fuel. To unlock the energy stored within water, hydrogen atoms are separated from oxygen through electrolysis. This process involves using an electric current to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gases. Hydrogen is an excellent fuel choice due to its high energy density. When combusted, hydrogen releases significant energy comparable to conventional gasoline engines. However, unlike gasoline, hydrogen combustion produces only water vapor as a byproduct, making it environmentally friendly and safe. Even though the concept looks promising, there are areas that could be improved to make these engines more practical. For instance, there is a need to enhance systems for splitting water efficiently, devise safe methods for hydrogen storage, and create engines that can effectively utilize hydrogen. The goal is to eliminate the need for complex electric or hydrogen systems. This simplicity benefits electric car users, who often struggle to find charging stations, and makes refueling easier compared to hydrogen. Experts are curious and ask questions like, can hydrogen-powered performance match that of traditional gasoline engines? Will the driving experience be enjoyable? Hydrogen-powered engines can match the performance of their gasoline counterparts thanks to hydrogen's unique nature as a fuel. When hydrogen burns, it does so much faster than gasoline, resulting in rapid combustion that enhances engine responsiveness, critical for driving performance. In a traditional internal combustion engine, drivers expect immediate throttle response, a distinctive engine sound, and a sense of power. Hydrogen-powered vehicles from Toyota can replicate these characteristics while using a cleaner fuel source. Drivers of Toyota's hydrogen-powered cars can still enjoy the familiar sensations of driving a conventional vehicle, including the engine sound, which is a crucial part of the driving experience for many. These vehicles also excel in racing scenarios, as demonstrated by Toyota. Rigorous testing of hydrogen-powered models showcases their reliability and potential for high-performance applications. Hydrogen engines can compete with traditional racing cars in terms of speed, agility, and endurance, delivering comparable horsepower to gasoline engines. Toyota's 4A&L technology has yielded promising results by modifying and refining existing engine designs to accommodate hydrogen fuel. Toyota has achieved power outputs that rival or even exceed those of conventional gasoline engines. This achievement not only represents a technical breakthrough but also underscores hydrogen's potential as a proven alternative for high-performance vehicles. Toyota has successfully merged the dynamics of traditional internal combustion engine vehicles with the use of a clean and sustainable fuel source. This approach by Toyota is bridging the gap between present-day automotive technology and the future, offering vehicles that retain the performance characteristics of conventional ICE vehicles. Whether on the racetrack or for daily commuting, Toyota ensures to deliver the performance sensation and enjoyment that drivers expect from traditional cars while also leading us into a new era of environmental responsibility. In developing these new engines, Toyota considered the numerous fascinating environmental benefits of hydrogen. What could these benefits be? Toyota's focus on eco-friendly technologies highlights the intriguing proposition of hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines. Questions about how these engines compare environmentally to hybrid electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and what sets hydrogen engines apart in terms of environmental impact, are answered by recent explanations of the environmental benefits of hydrogen engines. The key element lies in the emission profile, which differs significantly from that of traditional gasoline engines. Gasoline engines release a substantial amount of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. In contrast, Toyota's hydrogen engines produce zero CO2 emissions during operation. The primary emissions from these engines are water vapor, making them an exceptionally clean option when considering greenhouse gas emissions.